Hi students, problem number 6. Half-lives of two radioactive elements A and B are 20 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. Initially, the samples have equal number of nuclei. Calculate the ratio of the decayed numbers of A and B nuclei after 80 minutes. Now this type of problems are very commonly asked in IIT entrance and NEET, and also in the board exam it is very important numerical problem. Now what are the given quantities? First 20 minutes and 40 minutes respectively are the half-lives. So let us take the half-life of the element A is TA. So this is equal to 20 minutes, and the half-life of the element B, that is equal to 40 minutes. Okay, this is given. Now we have to find out the amount of the substance which has decayed after 80 minutes, the given time. So given time, the given time T is small t is equal to 80 minutes. So what is the expression we are going to use is the amount or the fraction, okay, the fraction remaining undecayed, we have studied, is it not? We have derived the expression for the fraction undecayed. That is given by what? Number of atoms n by n naught. This is for the element A. Understand? For the element R, in general expression I will write first. So n by n0 is equal to what? Half power n, where n is the number of half-lives. Is it not? N represents the number of half-lives. Now for the element A, the number n is equal to, I will take this as a n suffix A for the first element. So this is equal to the given time 80 minutes, okay, divided by its half-life. The half-life of the first one is what? 20 minutes. So this is n A is equal to what? 8 by 2 is 4. Similarly, for B we will find out later. First for the element A, the number of half-lives is equal to 80 by 20 is equal to 4. 4 half-lives, is it not? 4 half-lives. So n divided by n0 for the element A is equal to 1 by 2 whole power n is equal to 4. So this is equal to what? 1 by 2 power 4, that is equal to 1 by 16. 2 power 4 is what? 16. Similarly, now we can go for the other element. Before that, what we have found here is the fraction remaining undecayed for the element A. Therefore, how much decayed we have to find, is it not? Therefore, fraction decayed I will find out. Fraction decayed is now equal to 1 minus 1 by 16. 1 minus 1 by 16. So this is equal to 16 minus 1 divided by 16, and that is equal to 15 by 16. So this is our first expression. So normally the decay equation is for what? The amount or the fraction remaining undecayed, is it not? So if you want to find the fraction decayed, means we have to subtract that from 1. So that is equal to 15 by 16 for the element A. Similarly, for B, okay, for B, the number of half-lives NB, okay, is equal to 80 divided by 40. So this is equal to 80 minutes divided by 40 minutes. So 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So n is equal to 2. Therefore, fraction remaining undecayed, fraction remaining undecayed is n by n naught. This is for the element B. So this is equal to half power n. In place of n I will substitute 2. So this is equal to how much? 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square, that is equal to 1 by 4. So this is the fraction remaining undecayed. How to find the fraction therefore remaining decayed? Therefore the fraction decayed. So the fraction decayed is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to what? 3 by 4. And this is a required expression 2. So fraction decayed for the element A is 15 by 16. Fraction decayed for the element B is what? 3/4 only. This ratio only is asked, is it not? What is asked here? Calculate the ratio decayed numbers, okay, of A and B after 80 minutes. Therefore, this ratio, required decay ratio, this is equal to 15 by 16. So this is 15 by 16 divided by 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So this is equal to 15 by 16 into 4 divided by 3. Okay. So this is 3. 5 3s are, okay. This is 5 3s are 15. And this 4 can be cancelled. Here what? 4 4s are 16. So that the required ratio is equal to what? 5 by 4. This is the required ratio of the decayed number of A with respect to B. Understand? So this type of problem requires thinking. First you have to think and the next is application. So given quantities, first you have to write and then number of half-lives undergone by the element A and B separately you find out. And in the decay equation n by n0, here they have given n0 is the same for both, isn't it? So n by n0 is equal to half power n, where n is different. So find out the value of n. First find the amount remaining undecayed and then 1 minus of this will give you what the amount or the ratio remaining decayed. That is to be carefully understood and done systematically for both the elements. And finally these two ratios if you divide means that will be the final answer 5 by 4. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.